Christian here with Everything Residential. Today I'm going to show you the most efficient way to install a shiplap wall. This entire wall costs $60. I'll explain more after the intro. Okay, as you see here, we are installing pieces of plywood. And that's the most efficient and cheapest way to do it. It's a rustic look, so if you're looking for that crown molding, super clean look, this isn't for you. But if you're looking for something that is rustic, you look at the gaps are a little bit different between each one. You see there's a little unstained here, tight, and then it can get a little bit looser, some knots of the wood. I really like that, and that's something that I want in this type of environment. But if you're like I said, super clean and tight, this isn't for you. Anyways, this entire wall right here only cost $60. It was 3 pieces of plywood. Now, if you bought the plywood a year ago, I'm sure it would have cost $180, $200, but it was $20 for a piece of plywood. We ripped the plywood into 5.5 inches. And once we ripped it 5.5 inches, we just threw it on up. So go ahead and watch the time lapse and I'll explain some more after. Okay, you saw us install all the shiplap and you saw us put all the stain on. We use Jacko Bean stain. This is all Home Depot product. You get it from the Home Depot paint section. Jacko Bean stain comes in a yellow can. We use like yellow Southern Pine, 11/32 plywood. We have our outlet installed. And go ahead and take another span, Zoe. It's a very beautiful wall. Next up, we'll be doing this entire wall over here. It'll probably be another 2 sheets of plywood. It's $20 a sheet. 3 sheets for here, 2 sheets for this wall right here. Now we're looking at what? That's 40 here, 60 here, $100, and we have a custom shiplap wall. Let me tell you guys something. This is very efficient, affordable, DIY. You saw my girlfriend nailing the boards up as I was ripping them. And it's really, it's achievable for a couple, DIY. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and as always, have a good day.